The Brita Everyday Elite Water Filter Pitcher is a remarkable product that excels at providing clean and filtered water for everyday use. As an experienced product marketing expert, I must say that this pitcher stands out from its competitors. One of the exceptional features of this water filter pitcher is the change filter indicator. It ensures that you never have to guess when it's time to replace the filter. This indicator makes maintenance easy and convenient, eliminating any guesswork and ensuring that you always have access to pure filtered water. In terms of dimensions, the Brita Everyday Elite Water Filter Pitcher measures 10.95 L into 10.83 W into 6.06 H, which is a perfect size for most refrigerators and kitchen spaces. Its compact yet efficient design allows it to fit seamlessly into your daily routine without occupying much space. The package information provided for this product is Other, indicating that it comes with all the necessary components for installation and EMI.